Look at this beautiful chocolate raspberry cheesecake. Completely no bake, it's creamy, perfectly set, slightly tart, and topped with silky chocolate ganache. Let me show you how to make this at home. First, we will prepare the raspberry sauce. In a saucepan, I'm adding 1.5 cup frozen raspberry and 35 gram of sugar. Cook this on medium heat until the raspberries start releasing their juice, using a spoon to gently mash them as they soften. While that's cooking, let's prepare a slurry. In a small bowl, mix 1.5 teaspoon cornstarch with 2 teaspoon water. Mix well until smooth. Now, pour the slurry into the raspberry mixture and stir continuously. It will start to thicken beautifully. Turn off the heat. Add 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Give it a quick mix and transfer the sauce into a small bowl to cool completely. While the sauce cools, let's prepare the crust. I'm using 100 gram of graham cracker. Grind them into a fine powder using a mixer. Add 40 grams of melted butter and mix well. If your mixture feels crumbly and doesn't hold when pressed, you can add 1 teaspoon milk. If your mixture holds perfectly, you don't need the milk. Now take a heart-shaped silicone mold. Add the crust mixture into each cavity and press firmly using a spoon. I used pestle wrapped in a cling wrap to press the crust down firmly so it sets nicely. Then refrigerate the crust for about 20 minutes to help it firm up. Now let's prepare the filling. First bloom the gelatin. Add gelatin to water and let it sit for 5 minutes. Once bloomed, add hot milk and mix well. Set aside. In a bowl, add 1 pack of room temperature cream cheese. Beat it using an electric mixer until smooth. Scrape the sides, then add sugar and beat again until well combined. Add the cool raspberry sauce and 1 teaspoon lemon juice and mix well. The lemon juice enhances the raspberry flavor and balances the sweetness. It also adds a slight brightness so that the cheesecake doesn't taste heavy. Next, add the whipped cream and the gelatin mixture. Beat everything together until you get a smooth, pipeable consistency. Transfer the raspberry cream cheese filling into a piping bag. Pipe the filling evenly into the prepared heart-shaped molds over the chilled crust. Gently smooth the top with a spatula, then refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until fully set. Make sure the filling is evenly distributed so that the cheesecake set nicely and release cleanly from the mold. For the ganache, pour hot cream over 100 grams semi-sweet chocolate chips and half a teaspoon butter for shine. Let it sit for 5 minutes, then stir until glossy. Pour the ganache over the chilled cheesecake and refrigerate overnight or at least 6 hours. Run a warm knife around the edges and gently press from the bottom to release. After releasing them from the mold, I added fresh raspberries on top for the beautiful finish. And there you have it, a no-bake chocolate raspberry cheesecake that's creamy, rich, slightly tart, and absolutely delicious. Let's taste this. It's so creamy, perfectly sweet with a little tartness from the raspberry, and that's chocolate on top makes it irresistible. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.